numero 91, Nicole Pierangeli, Suono Interiore.
Cause it's love, real simple, and that's how it